So we got another cool project to work on. This is the Down for Sound ProFab 12-inch curved box. And we're gonna be putting in a single 12 and a Mazda trunk. Got my brother Cameron, we're gonna fuck it up. So you guys know I mention these ProFab boxes a lot in videos, and I recommend them a lot because they're the perfect blend of performance, but also keeping everything on a low budget. These ProFabs, this one I believe is made out of birch. So I mean, it's not your cheap junk box that you'd get from the flea market. Don't think that. And yes, a custom enclosure is going to give you a lot better performance when it's made specifically for your subwoofers. But dude, this box is not that expensive. I can't remember off the top of my head because now JP sends his invoices without prices. But oh, look at there. We got a yellow sticker. We'll put that big bright ass fucking Big Bird sticker on the back. But these boxes are made to be like more on the universal side. So sure, it's not going to give you the peak performance that a custom box would that was specifically designed for your subwoofer. But hell, it ain't that bad either. So this will be like the third or fourth ProFab box that I've messed with. Oh, dude. Yeah. Great designer. Did these designs. It's not just like a Ling Wang Hung from fucking China. Slap of crap together with a bunch of staples. This is a real deal Holyfield subwoofer box. Very nice.
Oh, it's gonna fit good.
Double baffle, curved port. Let's bring you in for a close-up, bro. So here are some of the great features: that double baffle, that curved port. Obviously, you see the Rhino line on there, the bed liner. It's got the Down for Sound engraved. A much better box terminal than, let's say, the Scar prefab that we're messing with in the previous videos. This is not a bad choice to go with for the price that it is. Not bad. I love it. So this is that box, the Curveport ProFab HD 32 Hertz, double baffle, 3 poly armor, oh boy, polyamorous, HD terminal cup. Sick, bro. And only 200 bucks. Come on, bro. 200 bucks, that's it? Man, that's not bad at all. Even if you built this damn thing with the design, I mean, you're gonna spend 40 bucks for a design, you're gonna spend $100 in wood and screws and shit. You're already at 150 bucks. You might as well just get the damn ProFab. As long as they keep them in stock, goddamn pop-ups. Well, yeah. Oh, yeah. And you old guys already know, because I harp it, I preach it. Use code BANGINBROS over at downforsoundshop.com on all your purchases over there. They have the best shipping, the best service. The shipping I like because it's fast. This box came in on Thursday and we ordered it Sunday night. So dude, they shipped it out Monday. It was in my hands by Thursday. That's not bad, bro. And if you know box shipping, you know shipping can get pretty expensive. So this one was, I think, like right under 30 bucks for the shipping. But dude, I've paid $200 for box shipping before. So 30 bucks ain't a drop in the bucket, bro. That ain't nothing. Oh yeah. So the subwoofer that's going in is that same subwoofer from earlier videos, the Scar VXF12. This one is actually Cameron's subwoofer, and it's been kind of tossed around like a cheap whore to whomever has a box and a trunk that'll play it. And so here we go again. A new client, 40 bucks. You know what I'm saying? I will say these box terminals, much better quality than like well, I'm using the Scar with reference, but so much better quality. Kind of base head rated, more or less. Good hardware. Nice. I like it. I like it. I hate box terminals, but it's not so bad. So we got the sub wired up, and it fits in the trunk perfect, man. Yeah. Doesn't take up that much room. I guess you have a little bit extra room, but it does fill the bitch up for real. ProFab box, not bad, bro, not bad. So the amp that's going to be running this is a Bully Performance. I think it's the BP 1600x1, a simple Chinese monoblock that'll just give enough power to get this thing going. That amplifier used to be from a company that was out of Houston, and I don't believe they make equipment anymore. So, you know, whatever. But I had done some testing. I mean, we're talking like 2018, 2019 on a bunch of Bully Performance stuff. If you guys remember from a long time ago, the long-time followers, if you remember, drop a comment. If you remember, you the real one, drop a comment. But yeah, I mean, it's played in different. I couldn't even remember how many different systems it's been in. Just, you know, the boys like to sell their cars and swap things around. So keep the audio equipment and put in the next thing. Keep the audio equipment, put in the next thing, you know? So that's kind of where that one's at. And that goes same for the VXF. Just been bounced around, and then if you don't have a car to put it in, then one of the other guys, I'll put it in something. It's really bad. But I'm sure you guys know some people like that, or you are like that yourself. So pretty relatable in that. That's nowhere near enough power that VXF can really take, but the car is going to be on stock electrical, so it's not like we can just put a 3K up in there and, you know, not have to worry about it. It'll muddle down at the stoplight. So this one right here, if you really think about the real world watts, it's wired at 1 ohm on a 1600 Chinese 1600.1. It isn't overrated. I would probably bet to say that this woofer is definitely not getting over 1,000 watts. I'd give it more on the 750 watt range. At its peak, you know, it's probably seeing 500-ish, you know. That's just guesstimating off of what, you know, what I've seen in the past. But the box and the sub are big dogs, and they kind of make up for it. So it actually sounds pretty smooth. Well, that was just a quick and dirty install with Bangin' Bros. You already know that is my brother Cameron, so he is one of the Bangin' Bros, and that's his little daily driver he takes back and forth to work. So that's all the goal in that system was, not to go to a show, not to go to a competition, just to bang around and go to Jack in the Box. That's what the assignment is, you know. So the ProFab fit the bill really well, being low cost, high output for $200. That's really good. I mean, like I said earlier, if we were to have built the whole damn thing, it would have taken us 3-4 hours, and it would have cost us over $100. So for an extra $100, it's done. I can unbox it, slap it in, and it fits that sub really well with the double baffle. That is a larger sub that would benefit from a higher output enclosure, but that box seems to be taking it no problem.
Here in 4 days.
And it was here in 4 days, so that makes it really nice. Hell, sometimes people building their own box can't even do it in 4 days, so shit, for it to be shipped. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Bangin' Bros here on YouTube, and use coupon code Bangin' Bros over at downforsoundshop.com on any of your audio stuffs. Hey, they also just started selling speaker pods, by the way. Man, those are really cool. I would go check them out.